It's noisy now. So many posts, so many opinions, so much to scroll through. The question I often ask myself: where do I fit in? Why do I do what I do? Is it in the pursuit of pleasure, popularity, or things that matter, that fulfill me? When was the last time when I went back to something simple? Do I have faith in this magical device working 24/7 for me? It asks for a fruit, not sugar. It asks for movement, not the couch. It wants to play and explore and breathe and just take a nap. Every run is just another training notch on my way towards a bigger goal. Every pull-up is the climb I dream of. I chase sensations as I flip. I achieve precision as I roll. I smile even at the rock bottom of failing and falling, and wink at my victories. The muscles that pump up, the sweat that pours down and stings my eyes, the breathing that comes deep in gasps. Every movement is synced with parallel synergies and patterns. I walk barefoot, eat natural, train smarter, recuperate, heal, pause, laugh. I switch off. I go back to my roots.